guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another episode of Gap with Jane, and my name is Jane. I know you already know, but I have to say it, you know. And thank you 150. I love you guys so much. And if you're just joining this channel for the first time, be a best friend gang, okay? Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that you get notified when I post. If you already are part of this channel, you are welcome. And today, as you already know, I'm about to install my frontal wig for the first time, you guys. You wish me luck. It's like it's my first time, like my first time, you know.
Wow, that's so crazy. Wow.
Before I get right into the video, let me give a shout out to my favorite commenters of the week. I think week, I don't know how I do these things these days. Shout out to my favorite commenters, and I think they should be here. Thank you guys for commenting. Keep commenting, join the best friend gang, and I will give you a shout out on my next video. So let's get right into this video. I'm going to be using the NAIJA Beauty hair wig Ada, and you guys look at this hair, guys. Like, are you seeing this? Like, why are you sleeping on NAIJA Beauty? Why? Come on, why haven't you gotten it? Money? It's affordable. You're thinking of going there to get it, they will deliver it to your doorstep, okay? Go get hair from NAIJA Beauty Hair. This is their wig Ada. It's so nice, so lush, so soft, and you guys, I don't even need to say much, just the hair is speaking for me. This is what I'm going to be using, and like I said, it's a frontal wig. Obviously that's why I'm going to be installing it, and it has not one, two elastic bands just to secure your hair. And another reason why I've not actually installed this hair, because it's glueless, guys. It is glueless. You can just put it on and it fits you perfectly and you are good to go, because anybody got that time sometimes, you know. So I just threw on this wig and I just go about my day. That's why I've never really installed it. So I'm going to be trying that out today. And also I got with me a scarf to tie it down, I guess, when you put your got to be. And yeah, I have my got to be. I got the smaller one because you guys, I'm not about to so I got the hair mousse, and this is the Nova Gold hair mousse. I don't really know what people actually use this for, because I think it dries your hair. So I'm just going to try maybe to use it to lay my edges, and that's about it. Okay, no, I have my hair clips just to hold my hair back. So you guys, come on, let's get into this video and wish me luck, guys, because guys, I think the first thing they do is to spray your hairline with this and then dry it out, I guess. And you can use a wig cap, you know, you can do the bald method, but don't mind me, I'm just doing me, okay? This is how I want to install my frontal wig. Don't try this at home, guys. Use a blow dryer, okay? So guys, this is how my hair came out. I know it's not looking extra perfect, but it's my first time, duh. And yeah, my edges are the dumbest things I've ever seen, ever, but I'm going to try next time and I'm going to be better. If there's something I didn't do right, please feel free to tell me in the comment section. If there is something that you learned, please tell me in the comment section too. If there's something any product I can be using instead, you can tell me in the comment section too, and I really appreciate you guys. And thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, subscribe, share with your friends, and also be part of the best friend gang. Okay, I love you guys so much. I'm going to see y'all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.